Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to be making slime.
Yep.
Out of an easy peel face mask.
Yep.
What color is this?
Black.
Yep. And it's going to be fluffy because we're putting some normal shaving cream.
Yep.
And we're going to try and make it really light green because I like the color of light green.
Yeah, this is
our activator, our bowl, and our stirring utensil. And this is my little assistant right here, my little brother.
Yep.
And we're using normal school glue.
Yep.
Like that. So, which one should we start off with? The glue or this one?
Let's start the glue.
The glue?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna start off with the glue.
Yep.
What you need to do is put as much glue in as you want.
Oh my god, so much. Oh my god.
A lot.
That's a lot, yes.
Okay.
This
is how much
we're
making.
You want to start
maybe a little bit more.
And the face mask.
Okay. That's good.
Yep.
Now let's try and
the glue. I'll do it.
Nope. Okay. Yep. Squeeze it.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
There.
Okay. Yeah.
Now
mix it.
Let's get you a stirring utensil.
Okay, thank you. It's getting pencil, Mike. Pencil.
Let's get you this one.
Yes.
There you go.
Take school.
Now let's start stirring.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I like that color.
Yeah, so
you want to see a cool trick?
Yeah. Oh my god. Judy.
We might want a little more food coloring because I don't like the way
Look,
this
it's green.
slime came out.
Okay,
So we'll put in, keep stirring, 2.
It starts and start.
Make sure that you don't get it on the edges
Okay.
because then we lose some food coloring. Okay, let me stir real quick. Got yours?
Okay. Stop busy.
Put it right there. Let me stir it.
Okay, oh my god.
Now that you've stirred it very well, I like the way this green came out. It's nice, bright, not too bright and a little dark.
Yeah,
but
you
want to make sure that you don't miss any white spots on the edges. That's why I'm using this kind of utensil to stir.
Yeah, do like that.
Next, you want to put your shaving cream.
Yep, I'll do it.
Okay. You got to shake it first, though. Really good.
Yeah.
Now squeeze.
Oh my god.
You want to put a lot of it.
Oh my god, look at that. It's
And then you just want to stir. Go on, keep stirring. Stir it, stir it, stir it.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Later on, we'll put more shaving cream to make it even fluffier.
Yeah, these stay so
Looks like it can use a little bit more.
Stir it, stir it, stir it.
I got a little bit on my hand. There we go.
Yeah. You can sturdy.
Oh
my
god. A little better.
Oh my god.
And you just want to stir it really good.
Oh my god.
I think the whipped cream, are you kidding me? The shaving cream,
Yeah.
made it very, very light colored.
Yeah.
So I think we might add a little bit more.
Squeeze. Stir it.
So now for the fun part. Are you ready to pour some activator, Willie?
Yep.
Okay, you stir, I pour.
Okay. Do it.
Stir. Slimy.
Slimy.
Let's put some more. Keep stirring it. Now, guys, would you look at that slime?
Yeah.
Like a little bit more. You want to really get it in there because you're going to want to be able to play with this stuff.
Okay.
And now you have all this goo.
Put on this.
Very, very sticky. though. So you're gonna want to put some more activator. And you're just gonna want to take your stuff out. And you're just gonna want to play with it.
Fine.
Jensen, let's play with it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That way it's not so sticky. But down here, it's very oozed up, meaning the glue has not yet reached activator as much. So you're gonna really want it to. You're gonna really want to play with it. If I can, hang on. Let me put this in a new bowl.
Oh my god, look at this. My hands.
Brand new bowl right here.
Brand new bowl.
Now I'm gonna get all this extra
slime.
Yeah, extra slime.
Oh my god. Huge.
You have all this extra. Now we can actually
Wipe it.
Hey guys, this is the second part of the video, and this is a no glue recipe. It's a black peel face mask, and we're gonna use our activator, and we're gonna make it fluffy. And here was our previous one. It was very good, and it just fell on the floor. Great. Okay, so we're gonna cut the tip of this off. And as you can see, it's black, and you're gonna see it a lot better. It's probably gonna be very satisfying. Oh, oh. And it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. Keep on going, keep falling. And then I think I'm gonna unscrew this, actually. And squirt that out and dry this off because I don't want it to activate inside here. Actually, that would be kind of cool, I suppose, but I don't want that to happen. And this is a great recipe because how easy it is. This is 2 ingredients and it makes slime. I'm not joking. I was amazed. I was like, I don't believe this. This isn't gonna work. Okay, now we're gonna add a ton of our shaving cream. Like a ton if you want it very fluffy. So that looks good. Yeah, I think I went a little overboard. And you're just gonna stir it all up. It's gonna become a gray if you're using this kind. You can use any kind as long as it's an easy peel. You need to make sure that it's an easy peel because whenever I was making the first part of this video, I didn't use an easy peel and it became like a gooey liquid. Like it was fun to play with, but it got all over your hands. It wasn't enjoyable. It was kind of enjoyable if you're like one of those people that just likes playing with globs of stuff. But I really didn't like it. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna stir this and I'll see you guys whenever it's all stirred. Okay guys, I'm back. I wanted to show y'all how I did this. I put it on a counter, my workspace, and now I'm just playing around with it. Did not come out stretchy at all. Just kind of crumbles. But it is fluffy. I like the other recipe, but I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all can make it better if y'all don't put as much activator and shaving cream in it. And it will be stretchy because I've made a different one. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final product. It is horrible. I do not recommend it. I was trying to debunk these guys that made it. Yeah, never make this. This is the worst slime I have ever created. I don't know what I just created. It's a monstrosity, okay? But this one, I just made it. It's fresh. And I used Dove Kids, I think. It's a type of shampoo for your hair. You can use 3-in-1 or 2-in-1. I use 2-in-1, coconut scented. Smells like coconut. And shaving cream, same type. I used a face mask like this, except it was clear, and it was, I think, cucumber scented. And I also put in the activator, and yeah, and that's everything I put. And a little bit of salt, because we had put a little bit of salt because we were trying to make another one, but it didn't work out, so I started experimenting around and I came out with this. We're gonna start reviewing our slime that we made. I mean, this one was fresh earlier. I didn't show how to make it, but I told y'all because we don't have the ingredients right now. Okay, so this is my favorite. It's humongous, it's stretchy, and it's fluffy. This one, it's garbage. I hate it. I rate this one a 10 out of a 10. And I rate this one a -10 out of 100. It may not make sense, but it is disgusting. Slime. I hate it. This one is my second favorite. This is just, I hate it. It's horrible.
Horrible.
It's the worst slime in the world, okay? This is my second favorite. One of the best in the world.
It's disgusting.
This is the best. This is the absolutely first best in the world. It's like a pancake. Here you go. It's like a pancake. Okay, here you go. And yeah, that's our review. See you guys next time. Laters. Subscribe for more videos. And we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.